Hello friends, welcome to part design tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model part 101 of cadexpert.com, and you can get this part sketch on this website cadexpert.com. So to model this part, first we have to draw this base part, then these two boss, and then remove the material, and last we will add up the whole. So draw this part. I have already made here base sketch, means this sketch I have already made. So how I made it, I have drawn two circle of diameter 30 and I made it equal. At the centers I have draw a diameter 60, means this dimension, and this diameter 30 means this is the diameter 30, and I have made them tangent, and I have also made this symmetric. So this is the dimension 150. So if I made it symmetric, so no need to give the mid dimension. So this is the base part. Now we will close the sketch and give to the pad. So pad I will give 15 mm because pad dimension is missing here. If you see in the side view, this pad height is not defined either in a front view or neither in a side view. So we have given the assume the dimension and given it 50 approximate. So I will clean up my sketch here. Now we have made our base part, as you can see. Now we will make this boss, this and this. So what we will do, we will select this face and create the sketch, and here we will project our geometry here, this arc, and I will draw a horizontal line, and I will draw a 3-point arc. So I will share this 3-point arc, and I will draw a arc here, and I will select this arc and this arc. I will make it equal, and I will make it center coincidence. So now we will give dimension from here to here. So I will select this point and this point, and vertical dimension I give 7.5. Why 7.5? Because here it is 15. Here this dimension is 15, and our center axis passing from this, so from half it would be 7.5. So that's why I given 7.5. Now I will move my dimension a little bit outside. Now I will close my sketch, and I will give pad I will give height of 60 mm. Okay, 60 mm. Why 60 mm? Because total height of the part is 75, and we have given this boss pad bottom one is 15, so height is 60. So I will close the sketch. Now what I will do, I will mirror it. I will select pad 001 and go to mirror tool. In mirror tool I would mirror my feature from XZ plane. So this is that plane XZ. So I will here click XZ plane, and I will mirror my feature same way. Now we will draw the cut. So for this cut, here is the profile. This is the cut profile, which is 35 and 30. So we will make cut on one side and then we will mirror it. So we will go on sketch and we will select YZ plane. I say okay. I will draw a rectangle here, and I will project my this edge, and I will give horizontal constraint with this and this, and my cut would be 35. So I will give dimension here from this point to origin point. So 35 half is 17.5, so I will give horizontal dimension of 17.5, because here it is 35, so our axis is passing through, this is the mid plane here. So from this axis to this our cut is dimension 17.5, so that's why I given 17.5. okay, height is 30, so I will select this line, and this I will give height 30. Now I can go in wireframe mode and I see my sketch. So as we wanted to remove the material, so this dimension is not that much important, but for our constraining purpose we will give some random dimension, random value. So I will select horizontal and I say it 40. okay, I will close it. okay, so because we are going to completely remove the material, now I will go in create a pocket. So here I will select through all, but on the symmetric to the plane means I wanted to completely remove the material, so I will select symmetric to the plane. I say okay. Now this pocket we will mirror, so I will select this pocket and mirror. I wanted to mirror with respect to exact plane, so this is the exact plane, so I will select the exact plane. I say okay. So if you see here, the cut is adapted on the both the side. I press 0. Now let me clean my markup. So if you see here, we have adapted the rest of the things. Now we will adapt the hole. Now we will adapt this diameter 15 hole on the both the side. okay, so I will go here and I say sketch. So on this axis I will draw diameter 15 hole, and I will give dimension to this constraint diameter of 15, and I will make this and this as equal. At the same times I will make this and this symmetric from the center, so I will give symmetric. So after giving symmetricity, it will symmetrically move on the both the side. Now hole to hole position is 150, this is the dimension of 150. So I will select this hole and this hole, and I say horizontal dimension of 150. So as we have draw the sketch, we can either go to the pocket and make it through all. okay, that is the one option we can do it, but technically that is not correct, because hole are going to be made with drilling features, so that's why we have to dedicatedly use the hole features. if this hole size might be diameter of 45, 50 or 60, so that hole is going to be manufactured with the milling operation, so in that case we can use these pocket features. But while you are designing a part, you should also think the manufacturing point of view, so that's why for this hole we will use the default hole feature. So we will go to the hole features and whole pop-up window will be open, and if you see here profile, so I can select isometric, regular. okay, but this is the completely blind hole. So what I will do, I will type my diameter here, diameter 15, and dimension I will say through all. If it would be tap hole, then we can select the as per our standard, but this is a completely blind hole, so diameter 15. So custom value nothing, so diameter 15 hole with through all. So this is the hole. If you can see from the top, so we can see that it is through all. So we will say okay. So we have adapted the hole on our pad. Now we will adapt on hole here. So for that I will go here and create a sketch. So in this case I will select the face, or we can select the mid plane also, but I will suggest to use the mid plane, because if you have plane available, then prefer the plane over the face. Either I can draw the hole on this face, but I will select the plane. So now I will draw my circle here. So this is of the diameter 12. Say okay. So if you see here, this is the hole of diameter 12. So press the 0. Now from bottom side the hole position is 60. I will minimize it. So from origin I will select this, our origin point, and this point I give vertical dimension of 60. Now I will close my sketch. So here we will go through the whole features, and no standards here, none, and it is a blind hole, diameter 12, and I will say through all. So through all, here is a one problem, because if I say through all, it is going to be drill on one direction only. So what we will do, we will made it with the pocket through all symmetric to the plane. So this is the hole adapted. Basically this pocket, this hole which we have made with pocket, we have to I think draw on this face. That would be better, so that we can drill through all. So that is the very minor adaptation, so you can do it with yourself. But at this point of view, for modeling of this part, I have draw on the mid plane, and I've used this pocket feature. I would recommend to do not use this pocket, use hole, as we have used for our hole on the base extrude. So for the tutorial point of view, we have a model this part, and if you can see here, we have adapted all the dimensions. Now we can also give the color to our part. So for that we will go to the body, and we can go to the appearances, and here is the shape color. You can select the color, and you can fine tune. Sorry, this is the green part. So we can give the color to our part, and we will close it. And if you see here, we have exactly model our part 101 in FreeCAD. So friends, this is all about the modeling of the part 104. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share my video. So this is all about the part modeling of 101. If you have any query, please leave your comment in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your valuable time.